Egg in a hole, moon over Miami, one-eyed Jack, whatever you call it. Have you ever tried it in a ham steak instead of bread? You need a thick cut steak so the egg doesn't overflow. If it's really big, cut it in half. Use a 2.5-inch diameter cookie cutter to cut your little egg baskets out of the ham. Eat that circle of ham now, or you can cook it alongside your one-eyed Jacks, or save it for something else. Crack your eggs into a bowl. You're doing this instead of cracking them directly into the ham in the skillet later because there's usually too much egg for the whole. You're therefore going to need to leave a little bit of the whites behind, or use small eggs, that works too. Melt some butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add your ham steaks and cook to brown them really well underneath, 3 or 4 minutes. Then flip them over. Now you'll scoop the egg yolks along with just enough whites that'll fit into the nests you cut. Cover the skillet and keep cooking them until the whites are mostly set, 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't like jiggly whites, I know I don't, we'll fix that now. Drizzle a little water into the skillet and cover it back up. The steam will heat the tops of the eggs and cook those whites. No more jiggles. Don't use that water steam trick if your egg in a hole uses bread instead of ham though, or else the bread will get soggy. Once your eggs are cooked, slide your egg in a ham basket onto a plate, season with a little salt, and then dip on in there.